blood.
Wala pang babaeng item. Nalayin ka nagsala, ano?
Okay, let's give them a round of applause. And for the next dance, they're going to perform the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. So I thus believe that no other animal can match the ability of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging. So once again, the monkey dance. So everybody, sir, move there. Wow! Okay. So later po, may kita din highlight ng sayaw. Yan. Yan. Wala po masyadong tindi nga lang ha. Baka nung makita nyo dyan.
Galing pa lang makaya.
Okay. Palakpakan naman po namin siya. And for their last and final dance is no longer a form of animal dance. Rather, it is a form of war dance or binabayan dance. So whenever misunderstanding arise, they send their young men into battle. But before sending them, they perform this dance to add guidance to their god called Apu na Malyari. And for their tribe po, the best dancer will be the best leader or the best fighter. So once again, war dance.
Poste pa lang mga.
So yan po is a real bow and arrow or pana at palaso. So everybody please be careful because sometimes they suddenly release their arrows and their target is the one who's using videos. Lagot ka ma!
Hindi, iPad naman yan eh. Video sa'yo. Hello, brother. Bye.
Okay, so let's give them a round of applause. And that's the end of this short but humble presentation. So, everybody, by the way, for those who want to give them some donations, they have donation basket here. Okay, so everybody, let us stand up and we are going to walk down to our last and final attraction, which is the Crocoloco. So, everyone, stand up na po and follow me.
Dito na. Dito.